5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The acts of indulgence in authorized use of electricity by a person as defined in clause within bracket B of the explanation below, section 126 of the Electricity Act 2003 neither has any relationship with unfair trade practice or restrictive trade practice or deficiency in service, nor does it amount to hazardous services by the licensee. Stop such acts of unauthorized use of electricity has nothing to do with charging price in excess of the price. Stop. Therefore, acts of person in indulging in unauthorized use of electricity do not fall within the meaning of complainant as we have noticed above, and therefore the complainant against assessment under section 126 is not maintainable before the consumer forum. Stop. The commission has already noticed that the offences referred to in sections 135 to 140 can be tried only by a special court constituted under section 153 of the Electricity Act 2003. Stop. In that view of the matter, also the complaint against any action under sections 135 to 140 of the Electricity Act 2003 is not maintainable before the consumer forum. Stop. Stanza. We have heard the submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties. We shall first deal with the issue as to whether the concerned matter falls within the jurisdiction of the assessing officer under section 126 of the Act or not. Stop. A perusal of section 145 would show that this section operates only in respect of section 126 and 127 of the Electricity Act. Stop. Section 126 is contained in Part 12 of the Electricity Act and deals with investigation and enforcement. Stop. Section 126 provides that if on an inspection of the premises and after inspection of the equipments, gadgets and etc. found connected or used in the premises, and assessing officer comes to conclusion that the person was indulging in unauthorized use of electricity, the assessing officer shall provisionally assess to his judgment the electricity charges payable by such person or by any other person benefited by such use. Stop. It is also provided that if assessing officer reaches to conclusion that unauthorized use of electricity has taken place, it shall be presumed that such unauthorized use was continuing for a period of 3 months. Stop. Section 127 provides that a person aggrieved by the final order made by assessing officer under section 126 may prefer an appeal within 30 days of the order to the appellate authority as may be prescribed. Stop. In view of the above, a careful reading of section 145 would show that the ouster of jurisdiction is in respect of detection of unauthorized use. Stop. However, At the same time, it is also directed by the legislature in the same very section 145 independently that no injunction shall be granted by the court or authority in respect of any action under the act stop in view of the settled law as mentioned above, do not find ourselves in agreement with the view of the learned single judge that the concerned matter falls within the jurisdiction of the assessing officer under sections 126 and 127 stop. Therefore, the reasons given by the learned single judge for dismissing the suit as not maintainable is not correct. Stop over.